Is manual assembly of odd-form electronic components slowing down your production and driving up costs? You're not alone. Traditional methods are inefficient and prone to errors. Southern Machinery introduces its innovative bowl feeder solution, specifically designed for automated assembly of odd-form electronic components. Our bowl feeders transform your surface mount technology lines, enabling auto-insertion functions and significantly boosting efficiency. Unmatched versatility, our bowl feeders handle a wide range of bulk odd-form components, including terminals, capacitors, transformers, switches, ICs, crystals, and triodes. They're applicable for media sizes from 3 by 3 millimeters up to 3 by 28 millimeters, with configurations for smaller components also available. Superior precision and productivity. Achieve top accuracy in component placement with automatic precision feeding. The BF2002D offers 4 tracks for simultaneous material supply, significantly improving throughput with automation. Enjoy fast cycle times as low as 0.8 seconds. Space-saving design. Our compact double-layer BF2002D has an overall width of only 231 millimeters, making it highly space-efficient. Vertical feeding tracks solve the issue of vibrating plates occupying pedestrian passage. Reliable operation. Built with high-speed steel and aluminum alloy, our feeders ensure stability, low loss, and long life. They are easy to operate with button control, reducing manual work and improving machine usage. High compatibility. Our bowl feeders are compatible with almost all brands of SMT mounters, including Panasonic, Juki, Fuji, ASM, and Universal, ensuring seamless integration into your existing SMT lines. With over 20 years of experience in SMT and auto insertion solutions, Southern Machinery is a patent owner of odd-form feeders, including 1 invention patent and 2 new practical patents for THT radial feeders. Our proven track record with clients like GE, Bosch, Philips, Flex, Jabil, and Juki demonstrates our expertise. We provide customized solutions to optimize your production. Boost your SMT production efficiency and precision today. Visit www.smthelp.com or email us at info@smthelp.com to learn more about our innovative bowl feeder solutions.